What's up, guys? This is Steve. How's everybody doing? Before we get started, make sure you guys like the video, give me a thumbs up, share the video, help somebody else, and if you're new to this channel, make sure you guys subscribe and join that notification squad. So I got some new accessories, guys. So we're about to check out the Samsers foldable Bluetooth keyboard. And I told you guys I was gonna order this keyboard. They ended up sending it to me, to me, so we can check it out. So shout out to Samsers. And I like this keyboard, man. So let's get to it. I can't give you guys a regular unboxing because I've been using it for a while now, and so I had to unbox it. But I'm gonna show you guys what it came with. Here's the packaging. Real nice packaging. Alright, inside we got the manual. We got like a little phone holder to stand up, and we got the charging cable. So that's it. This is a keyboard. So let me show you guys the keyboard now. So it looks real nice. It's small, but not too small. I had no trouble typing with it. Does have a touchpad. On the side, let's see if I can get it to you guys. Here's where you can charge it at, on off button, and it has the Bluetooth button when you want to pair it to your device. It pairs to Android devices, iOS, and I believe, Windows. So Android, iOS, and Windows. You guys know I've mainly been using it for my Samsung DeX setup because this became my new laptop on the go. I just use Samsung DeX now, and it's real nice because of the size of it. It folds up. Fits in my hand, and it's not too small. You guys know my favorite keyboards are the Logitech K400 and the Logitech K830. It's my favorite Bluetooth keyboard, but as you guys know, these are regular size keyboards. So even though I love this keyboard, I like taking it out with me, I ended up damaging it, the side of it. So I had to find something else, and this foldable is just the right size for me. So look at the size comparison. So for me, it actually, all keyboards are pretty decent with the touchpad. The one thing that separates the Logitech keyboards compared to other keyboards, and that's the reason why they are my favorite, are those dedicated buttons it have, as far as the right click, left click, and that automatic mouse button on the side. This is missing that as well, but just because it's portable for me, real easy to portable, I'm definitely gonna make this the main keyboard I use on the go. You know, some people might like it, some people might like it at home, just for their devices, because it's so small as well. But I'm gonna mainly use it for on the go. So let's check out, so I can show you guys how to pair this device. In fact, I can show you guys right here. And even though it's missing those buttons, as far as the back button, and also the back button and the home key. Back button and the home key is missing. It's not missing it. It just doesn't have a dedicated button like the Logitech keyboards. But if you look at the manual, it shows you how to use those keys like any other keyboard. So let's pair it to our Android device. I'm going to pair it to my Nvidia Shield right now. So I'm going to turn it on. And once I turn it on, you'll see that blue light. Now I'm gonna press that Bluetooth button. And you're gonna see it beeping like that. It's in discover mode now. Now I'm gonna press the function button, which is right here. I'm gonna press Android since I'm going to my Nvidia Shield TV. So that and W. Now let's go to the Nvidia Shield TV. Let's see if it finds this device easy. Whoops, sorry about that. Show you guys. Okay, let's go to the Nvidia Shield TV settings, and this is how you will do for any Android device. Remote and accessories. Now let's go to add Bluetooth accessories. Now I might have to redo it since it's been there we go. So I found it. Gonna click on it. Gonna ask me to enter this code. So I'm gonna type it in. And there you go. So it does navigate pretty well. That's me right now messing with the touchpad. Me going home. So it works too. It works real good. It's small, but not too small. And definitely for a portable keyboard, especially if you're using a Samsung deck setup or anything on the go, where you just need to carry something light. Say you're staying the night at a hotel room or something like that. I need my keyboard for everything, man. I just need my keyboard for my devices. So this is something that I can just wrap up real quick, fold up, and take with me on the go. So I definitely recommend it. And I believe it's about 25 bucks. Let's see. It's 30 bucks. So I'm gonna put this link in the description of the video as well. And I enjoyed it, man. Shout out to Samsers for sending it to me. And I got it just in time, because man, I don't want to mess up my K830 anymore. I'm leaving my K830 for now on at home, and I'm just gonna fold this up and take it with me. So let me know what you guys think about this keyboard. I like it. Like I said, the only negative feedback I have with every keyboard besides the Logitech keyboard is that dedicated home button, that dedicated back button, and that dedicated pretty much the mouse click button that those Logitech keyboards have. I think, Logitech just makes the best accessories to me. But on the go, this is nice because it's so small and I can still use it well. So I'm definitely going to use this from now on. If you guys have this foldable keyboard, definitely comment and share your experience with everybody. All opinions matter on my channel, and it helps people decide whether or not this accessory, this keyboard, is for them. So definitely comment. If you have any questions about the device, comment as well. And I'm going to put a lot of more information in the description for you guys too. But I'm going to talk to you guys later. Thank you so much for watching this video. Give me a thumbs up. like the video. It's free. And tune in next time so I can show you how to make the box yours. Thanks for watching, guys.